10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, definitely.
All right, and that's how we make our backstrap on our deer 99% of the time. We absolutely love it.
Hey guys, TJ Outdoorz back with another video. On this video, we're going to be showing you our favorite way to make what we call oven roast steak. So these are cut sections of the backstrap, and we're going to be showing you our favorite way to make it.
All right, so we got the backstrap here. We're going to just put this in here. And basically we have some butter and a little bit of oil in here just to get a sear on this. Mostly butter, but let's try to get this out of here. And we're going to salt and pepper this first side. And you can kind of season it to taste or whatever, but we're gonna get a good sear on this side, and then we'll flip it over and we'll sear the other side. And basically the process after that is it goes into that pan, and then we have a butter herb mixture here that will go over top of it after it bakes for a little bit, right toward the end of it, and that all lays in the pan. And we'll show you how it's baked and eaten in that process. So. It kind of all depends, you know, how much you want to sear it, how much you want on it. But the more you sear it, the less you have to bake it. The less you sear it, the more you have to bake it. So that all depends. And when we put it in, the 9x13 pan to bake it, we'll just have it in there until it comes to temp. And then once it's at temp, we'll put the butter mixture that we have over top of it. It has a bunch of fresh herbs and stuff in it. So we'll actually pepper this side here too.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to tell you about where you guys can get all this merch. You guys can get a hat like this, hat like the one that John's wearing, and a little beanie like this, all at the TJ Outdoorz merch store. First link in the video description.
Alright, so we're going to take these guys out of here. We're just going to lay them in this pan. Alright, so we have this set preheated at 425. So we'll put it in here and we'll just kind of check it for temp. You can pretty much get it as well done as you want it. If you like it pink, a lot of pink, whatever you like, however you like your deer, you can pretty much bake this to temp. And once it gets there, right before it finishes, we'll put the butter mixture in over top of it and let that melt all over it and around it. Alright, so we've checked this and it's to the temp that we want it to put the butter in. So we'll just put this butter in here. We'll put the recipe for this butter and what's all in this, but there's a bunch of fresh herbs in with this. And basically this just melts in over top and around the meat there as it finishes up. You want to make sure that your meat isn't completely done. So you don't get overdone as you wait for the butter to melt around it. Alright, we'll let that in there and finish, and we'll catch up with you when I pull it out. Alright, so we checked this for temp. We're going to pull this out. You can see here, butter mixture is all nice and laid in there. So basically what we do is, this goes alongside rice or whatever you want to do. And then we'll just pull this stuff out and we'll just come in here and we'll just thinly cut this down like this. And this is how we serve it. Thinly cut down like this. And eat alongside of rice or mashed potatoes or whatever you end up deciding to pair with it. And then what we like to do is when you serve it, if you serve it on a board or something like that, you can just grab some of this butter mixture and you can just kind of drizzle this over the top like this if you want it like that, or you can after you have it sliced, you can just slice it and put it back in the pan and serve it out of this too, whatever you like. So you can see a close up here of the garlic and herb butter that we poured it in there and let it bake in, and then you have the sliced meat here close up. So we're gonna let Troy and John take a taste of this and see what they think.
Put in some butter. Oh yeah. That is good.
Does that pass?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, definitely.
All right, and that's how we make our backstrap on our deer 99% of the time. We absolutely love it. So we'll try to drop the butter recipe in the description below, or you can message us either way, and we'll try to get it to you.
And yeah, guys, signing it off. Hashtag TJ Gang.
Hashtag Jesus.
Keep it in the outdoors.
Bye.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.